Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and in this video, which is going to be a really fun video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your iPhone XS or XS Max into an iPhone 11. Now, if you always wanted to change to the iPhone 11 but you're on a budget, or maybe you just want to give your girlfriend a gift of an iPhone 11 but you don't have the means to actually get her one, this is actually what you should do. Now, this is a little Chinese device actually made in China, which allows you to change your iPhone 11, you change your iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, and or iPhone 10s Max into an iPhone 11 Pro with a triple lens camera. Now, this really doesn't work. It's just a mode that's going to kind of mimic the look of the iPhone 11 or 11 Pro. Now, this little thing here has a triple lens set up on it, and the installation is actually really quite easy. You just grab the little device. It also comes with the instruction. It also comes with the wipes actually that you're going to use to actually wet and wipe your screen before application. So all you gotta do is follow this instruction. There's the dry one and the wet one. So you first open the wet one and you clean your phone just like how you apply the glass protector on your phone. So you grab the white one, you clean around your lens. Obviously, you gotta get it really clean in there. This is the wet one, as I mentioned, so you have to get it clean. And then you grab on the dry one, obviously. And let me just see if I can open this properly. And then you grab the dry one. Where's the dry one? Oh, there we go. The dry one actually fell out. You grab the dry one and then you clean on your surroundings where you actually applied the wet one. Again, this is something fun that's going to help you fool your friends that you have the actual iPhone 11 or 11 Pro when you only have the iPhone 10. So after cleaning, you grab the phone, you position it properly. And from one thing actually that I'm seeing now is that the flash, it might actually get covered. So you place just like that, and voila, you have an iPhone 11 Pro. This is the final look. What do you guys think of that? It actually kind of looks like the real deal, doesn't it? Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this thing because I've seen this thing circulating social media for quite a while, and I managed actually to get my hands on one, and I actually wanted to see how good it will look like an iPhone 11. Now, I must say, if you are looking from afar, yeah, but if you actually come close and see what's going on here, you're gonna notice that there's something wrong with this iPhone. Now, don't try this at home. If you actually want the real deal, you're gonna have to cough out those 20-something thousand rand for the actual phone, or else just stick to what you have. Now, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you guys like the kind of content I produce, or maybe apart from this one, if you like the kind of content I produce, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You subscribe to the channel, and you also click that notification bells button. And before I forget, don't forget to actually enter that Black Friday giveaway, which is gonna be, the winner is gonna be announced now this week on the 28th. That's a day before Black Friday. If you haven't entered, make sure you entered. And if you actually entered, thank you. We've actually gotten a quite nice response. I think over 45 people actually entered, which is actually a good number. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Peace.